welcome to the Global Women Achievers Festival 2021. I am Nancy Narang, and today I have with me someone who is an actress from Mumbai, or Delhi, or should I say Chandigarh? Confused, aren't you? Well, let's call Mansi and let's talk about her journey, which started from Chandigarh. Hi, Mansi, welcome to the show.
Hi, Nancy. Thank you. Thank you so much for having me.
So
how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And so what is this thing about Bombay and Delhi and Chandigarh? Tell us about that.
So I'm basically from Chandigarh, Panchkula. Okay. And so till 12th I was there, and then I did my theatre from Delhi. So that's where Delhi happened. तो वो दिल्ली बीच में आ गया एंड वहां से थोड़ा थिएटर सीखा, एक्टिंग सीखा, प्लेज किए थोड़े से, एंड देन आई मूव टू बॉम्बे. फाइनली मैंने डिसाइड किया, ओके फाइन, दिस इज हाई टाइम नाउ, आई शुड actually move to Bombay and start my acting career, because initially, you know, you're like a little reluctant that how to enter the industry, whether you should or you should not, whether you should take a stable job or whether you should actually follow your dreams. आजकल थोड़ा इजी हो गया एकदम अपने ड्रीम्स फॉलो करना, बट आई एम श्योर स्ट्रगल आज भी उतनी ही है जितनी पहले थी टू गेट अ गुड रोल. So yes, that's how Chandigarh, Delhi and Mumbai happened.
So Mansi, what family background you come from? It's not a filmy background for sure. So how were your parents about it when you said you wanted to become an actress? Because you know, usually you expect star kids to go on into this profession, but when regular people want to move to Tinseltown and pursue their dreams, they don't get that sort of support, and their parents are a little apprehensive. How was that with you too?
Yes, my parents were very apprehensive. They were it's not that they like just stopped me that no, you cannot do it, nahi jana hai wahan pe. They were not like that. They understood what I want, but they were just trying to make me understand that beta, you know, try and have a stable job, and we don't have in the family, there's nobody that has been an actor before. So you know, I actually didn't know how to start only. I didn't know that, oh, we have to learn acting. First, I should learn acting, you know, to become an actor. So, itna basic bhi, you know, clear nahi tha. So, for that, then someone told me, you know, why don't you join theatre? Then I went and joined theatre. I did. So, background hi aisa tha that I was too much into academics since starting that I didn't know how to get into this industry, what to do, how to do. So that's why I think for outsiders it takes a while to learn and to understand everything, that you know, kaise aate hain, kahan auditions dete hain. So yeah, but my parents initially they were little reluctant in because they also didn't know anything about the line. But then when they saw me going for theatre rehearsals, doing plays, and actually going for it, you know, every day they used to ask, beta aaj audition kaisa hua? Every day they used to ask ki aaj audition kaisa hua? Sometimes I used to tell them ki mama, it's like, you know, it's like an interview, like don't ask me every day ki aaj kaisa hua. Ab no they used to ask me ki okay to kab batayenge fir, matlab main same day jab dekar aati thi audition, so they used to ask me ki to fir kya bola. So I used to be like, mama abhi ruko, abhi thode 1-2 hafte baad they will see other girls also, and then you know, they will decide.
So it's not like they tell you all this, acha, you're selected.
Yeah, so they used to think that ki acha bata diya kya hua. So बेचारे, they were so, you know, so people, I think till now also, like so many relatives and a lot of people, families, they don't know actually what's the procedure and kya hota hai. So yeah, so they were like that, but then they supported also once they saw that I'm working hard and I'm giving auditions and I got my first role. That's why I started doing TV first, because waiting for movies to thoda zyada ho jata, main wait karti aur you know pata nahi kab you know pehla role hota. Actually I did also one movie before doing my TV shows, but then it's not been released yet. I think शायद अब जाके release हो, now that OTTs are happening and they are taking movies जो पहले release नहीं हुई थी कभी. So it was a movie with Pankaj Tripathi actually.
Wow.
So I hope it gets released.
Well, yeah, we are keeping our fingers crossed.
So, yeah.
Can't wait. So Mansi,
but then it was 6 years back. I used to look different.
Doesn't matter. So Mansi, now Chandigarh is a very different place. It is in terms of the pace of your life, it is comparatively a more slower pace. I'm comparing it to Mumbai. Now Mumbai is a place where it's hustling and bustling with energy. Was that a very big shift for you in terms of the life, and you've been used to a certain way? How different or difficult it was for you to adjust to that kind of life?
I think it was the fast life was not a problem at all, because for few years I stayed in Delhi and I saw the fast life, but definitely Mumbai life is faster than Delhi life. Definitely, I would say. It's not like Delhi life, but I'm a kind of girl who likes the chaos and the crowd, and I'm not a very living in a silent area kind of a person. So I actually like the chaos and the crowd that's there in Mumbai, and everybody is just working and they're going for their work and कुछ ना कुछ काम ही कर रहे होते हैं. Outside also, whenever you're out on the streets, people are just working, and if you need some help from anyone, they will help you, and they are approachable. So shift was not a problem, because I like this kind of life. I like the hustle. I like that people are workaholic and सबको बस अपने काम से मतलब है, काम कर रहे हैं. So I really like that.
So Mansi, now, as you said, you didn't have anybody in the industry. How was the initial few years when you moved to Bombay and you didn't know for sure whether work would be coming or the frequency with which it would be coming? So did that become overwhelming at times? Did you question your decision? Did you think of going back? Did you have those thoughts?
No. So that's why I'm saying that I do not wait for movies to happen to me. Okay. I started with TV and ads. And I used to give 4, 5 auditions in a day sometimes. So अगर इतने दे रहे हो तो उनमें से 1-2 तो होता ही था. If you know and if you're good at your job, तो definitely कहीं ना कहीं जाके कुछ ना कुछ कहीं ना कहीं selection तो होगा. So that's why I started doing TV also first, and thankfully I got my first role in Suvreen Google as a sister's role. And of course I told my parents, and they also saw it happening, and they were also happy. Then I started trying for leads when I gained a little confidence that I can do it, and how it's done, audition kaise dete hain, main lead ke mein kya karte hain. So I have light eyes actually, so I bought brown lenses. I wore the lenses because like they have a typical kind of face they want. Yeah, because like थोड़ा Indianness दिखना चाहिए, तो मेरा थोड़ा light eyes में maybe I used to look negative. So I used to do that much मेहनत की, मैं brown lenses ले लेती हूँ चलो, and I bought some extensions also. अब तो extensions काफी मिलते हैं, like easily मिल जाते हैं. That time I figured that I should look in a certain kind of way, so my hair should be like this, and my volume should come here. So then I bought extensions and I worked on my look, and that's how I cracked my first lead. It wasn't that easy.
So tell us about
because I figured that what look people are looking for.
Yeah.
And I knew that मेरा वैसा look ऐसा certain makeup और ऐसा present करूंगी तब आएगा. So that's how then I cracked my first lead.
Because you have a very international looking face. Now when you're looking to play an Indian lead, the Indian heroine, people sort of would not maybe relate to it. So what was your first big break?
So after Suvreen, actually I was giving auditions along with Suvreen. I was giving auditions for lead, and that's where I got my first lead in Rab Se Sona Ishq. उसमें leap हो रहा था, and Kinri ma'am and Jay Mehta उनका production house है, and they gave me a break. But उसमें leap हुआ, and actually show already उसकी I think ये date आ गई थी शायद बंद होने की, but still I got the experience of my first lead role. It was opposite Ashish Sharma, and Anuj Thakur was also there, and it was for a few days, but I got a taste of it, that how it is, and कैसे होता है TV में. Then I was a little sad also कि इतनी जल्दी, oh my god, मैंने अभी मतलब join ही किया था. How come the news has come? So I was a little sad. But yeah, so but then I kept giving auditions, and within a month, Z only this show Rab Se Sunaish was for Zee TV, and Z only took me again for Do Dil Bandhe Ek Dori Se. So yeah, that was my first big break for a prime time show, which was coming at 8:30.
So then, how did life change after Do Dil Bandhe Ek Dori mein?
So it didn't change much, just that now I was recognized. After doing that show, I was recognized. I started getting calls on my own, you know, जहाँ मैं पहले figure out कर रही थी कि audition कहाँ पर दूँ, क्या करूँ. Then people started getting in touch themselves for auditions and for any ads or anything. So yes, then after that Peterson Hill happened, and then for some time I did Sasural Simar Ka also, and then finally I got Ishqbaaz, which was also a nice and a big break. It was a very popular show.
Absolutely.
So did that for 2 years. And yeah, so it's been a great experience, you know, meeting new people, making new friends with every show. And then recently I did a web also last year. So trying to shift now from TV to web, and simultaneously both the things. Let's see.
So Mansi, how did life change after Do Dil Bandhe Ek Dori Se?
So then after my first show as the lead, actually ये हुआ कि मतलब automatically I started getting calls for any auditions or any ad. इतना struggle नहीं रहा जितना starting में था, that you know people didn't know me. I got recognized. People started knowing who I am. So after Do Dil ended, I got calls for new shows. And then I used to just go give auditions. Now also I make sure whatever calls I get, you know, I try to give all the auditions. And so yeah, this much life change that, you know, I got a bit recognized after doing a few good shows.
So Mansi, there are a lot of young girls who are trying to have these big dreams and who want to come to Mumbai and they want to try their hand, but it's not that easy. It's not been easy for you, and it's not easy for anybody. So what would you like to say? Is there a right way of going about it? How would you like to educate?
Yes, definitely. So first I would like to tell them that, you know, there's no need to be scared, that it's not a bad industry, it's a good industry. और हर जगह अच्छे बुरे दोनों टाइप के लोग होते हैं. Even in corporate or in any other airline, any other line, you would experience that, you know, there are different type of people. So I would like to encourage all the newcomers that, you know, it's not a bad line. You can come to this industry. All you have to have is, of course, you should know how to act. Then second, you should know how you are looking and in what character you would fit. Or nahi to, you know, you can ask the casting director that do I fit or I don't fit, and, you know, keep trying for next audition. Keep working on yourself. There are so many workshops these days that happen in Mumbai, so you can be a part of any workshop or you can be a part of theater rehearsals. But, you know, धीरे धीरे you'll have to work hard for it. You'll have to learn कि कहाँ पे किससे बात करें, क्या करें. वो तो actually once they come to Mumbai, they will learn. But then you need patience for that. You need to have patience. You know, ऐसा नहीं होता कि कोई रातों रात स्टार नहीं बनता है. Even I think the star kids and all, वो लोग भी, you know, they don't become stars रातों रात. Even they have to, I'm sure, do a lot of hard work and prove themselves.
You know, only the first initial thing might be a little easy as compared to someone who's not from the industry. But after that, I think it's the audiences that decide whether they want or do not want to see you in future. So I think it's completely correct. The audience's call. So Mansi,
for us, it's just that कि yeah, if we are it's just that कि उनको पहले, you know, मिल जाता है platform, but then they still have to prove it after that. And for us, it's like, you know, we really have to, first chance maybe मिले तो, you know, we have to prove ourselves. So each and every audition, everything should be good. So I would say that, अपना practice चालू रखो, keep working on your craft, and side by side keep giving all the auditions and keep meeting people, and have lots of patience.
Absolutely. So Mansi, if you had to play one iconic role of a woman-centric character, what would it be? It could be a movie, it could be a TV show. What's one woman you've
There
inspired?
There are so many roles. I keep watching so many web series that जो latest होगा ना फिर वो मेरे दिमाग में ही होगा. But then that latest तो बहुत सारे होंगे. But still, if you've said that iconic role, I think I would love to play either Khaleesi from Game of Thrones, or the negative character, I'm forgetting the name. Cersei. Either Cersei or Khaleesi.
Awesome. So Mansi, before we wrap up, I want you to enact out one or two your famous dialogues which your audiences love in your trademark style, and we make this more fun.
So then, okay, there's this famous dialogue, not famous, but then there's this line that Bhavya Pratap Rathore, which was my character in Ishqbaz, she used to always mention the article number of the like अगर तुमने मेरी ये बात नहीं सुनी तो मैं तुम्हें दफा 302 के अकॉर्डिंग जेल के अंदर कर दूंगी. So something like that she used to say. So yeah.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah, but it's nothing different, but she was a cop. I don't know if you've seen the show.
Yes, absolutely. And I think Bhavya is a character, who's such a perfect blend of strength and resilience, yet, such a wonderful gamut of emotions. So I think nobody could have pulled it off the way you did. So on that note, Mansi, it was an absolute pleasure having you on the show, and we wish you more success and more glory and all the best. And thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Professional Times, India Media Council, and Nancy and Kshitij for having me on your show. And it was lovely talking to you both. Hope to see you guys soon. Right now it was virtually, but yeah, thank you so much for having me.